Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the province of Granada in Andalusia, around 50 minutes from Malaga Airport, to show you this wonderful edge of village detached property with beautiful swimming pool, amazing views, annex room and garden. And there's also a special surprise which we'll be showing you a little bit later. As you can see, wonderful views, everything is walking distance. You're also going to be around 55 minutes or so to Granada City. There's plenty of parking and access is extremely easy. So let's head off to show you the access. We have mains water, mains electricity, internet already connected, and there's also a septic tank here. This house has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. In the annex room there is a separate WC. Also for the annex, it's in 2 stories, and the top floor would make a great bedroom, and then underneath you would still have lots of room for storage. So you can see here 2 proper parking spaces, and this is your main entrance. So you have a nicely concreted track, and this is a private track. The border is this bank here, and the track goes down to a dead end. 3 of the 4 sides of this property are fenced. So you have some very easy to look after garden on this side. This house also benefits from a pellet stove as well as air conditioning. This plant here is currently being supported, but that's going to be dealt with. Now look at this for a view. You have just the most wondrous views here. All of this is your private land. So hopefully you can also see the fence, which is where your land ends, and just beyond you have this spectacular countryside view. So because we're edge of village, it's really easy to walk to all amenities. There is a small shop in the village, and we think 1 bar. Now here we have a wonderful example of a threshing circle known as an era. Now these are protected, so you can clean them up, you can repair them, but you can't dig them up or build on them. It's just the most superb feature. It's a beautifully constructed house. It was built in 1950. It's around 260 square metres and sits on a plot of around 3,000 square metres. It was originally the village bakery, so there's a lot of history here. You see another little bit of garden. Again, very easy to keep. There's an old well, which isn't obviously your water supply, but it's a rather attractive feature. And then you can go through to a little bit of extra garden with some olive trees. So the house was renovated in the last sort of 25 years or so, and done to a really high standard. Just around here we have a lovely little barbecue area with some shade. As you can see, things are currently in autumn mode, so not only do we have a beautiful colour in the trees, but obviously there's going to be a lot of leaves. This is the back part of the annex, and I'm just going to give you another view of the swimming pool before we go inside the house. Swimming pool's about 8 metres by 4 metres. It's completely tiled in a mosaic style, and it has inbuilt steps, which is ideal. Much better than having the metal steps that you have to walk in and remove if you want to cover it. So you can see here's a little bit more land, enough room there for a veggie patch. And this is also fenced, this section. So as I said before, 3 out of the 4 sides are fenced. While we're here, I'm going to show you the underside of the annex and around the back a little here. So just a nice storage area really. There are some steps down into the garden. And then through here we have the mechanism for the swimming pool. It's a standard sand filter, so very, very easy to sort out. It has its own electricity supply, and then you can see a great space for storage. If you really wanted to, you could turn this into some kind of living accommodation, but storage is always useful. And then on the upper floor, there is a room that would make either a perfect office or an additional bedroom if you required it. So I'll just go up and show you that. All of the windows are double glazed and they're really high quality. There's a good centimetre of gap in the double glazing. So we go in and you can see it's a good sized room. It's perfectly big enough for a double bed. Nice views over the pool. And at the end here is a WC. So we just have a loo in there. Has an air conditioning unit. I guess it would be possible to make a shower in this corner. That's obviously something you would need to talk about with your builder as to whether that was possible or not. But this could be a great additional space, either a games room, a bedroom, office, yoga room, so many possibilities. Here in the summer, we have a gorgeous sail that goes up. So you have a really beautiful shady spot to sit. Wherever you are in this property, whether it's in the winter or in the summer, you're going to be able to find both sun and shade. So let's head into the house. You can see there's a mosquito net door, which means that you can have the main kitchen door open. So we walk through to fully fitted kitchen. Wood beam ceiling. So in the kitchen we have washing machine, fridge freezer, extra freezer. There is another fridge actually in the annex room. And then there's an electric oven and microwave. Everything in the house is electric. There's no gas here. And this is an induction hob. Nice double sink. So it's a really, really functional kitchen. Lots of prep space, lots of cupboard space. And then just through here, this is the pellet burner. Very good size, so that would give you plenty of heat. And this is the first of the bedrooms. So it's a ground floor bedroom, great access. It's a good sized room and it has a sliding style door. I do rather like those. So this is ideal for anyone who has mobility issues. And because it's an old farmhouse and an old bakery, there's a few steps and a few archways and things. So we go down from the kitchen, you can see just there, into a dining room. And just off the dining room is another bedroom, which of course you could always use as an office or repurpose it however you need. And there's a large storeroom just off here. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us, hit the notification button so you're sent information about all of our upcoming videos. Please click like and share, and do leave your comments in the section below. So we walk through into a bathroom. This bathroom would be shared by the bedroom I'm about to show you and the one we've just been in. Just here, another nice bit of storage. Don't forget, we also have channels on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So really good sized bathroom, and this one leads through to the largest of the bedrooms. So we have this huge bedroom, again with air conditioning unit, and all of the air conditioning units also are used as heaters. And this has a nice view and access to that terrace. And on this side, you have a pool view. And then a huge curtain covered wardrobe at the end. So that's the ground floor. I'm just going to take you upstairs to take a look at the rest of the property. So just at the top of the stairs, there's this nice light bedroom with views over the countryside. Bit of storage, and this one's ensuite. So this bedroom here has this bathroom. And it's off the main sitting room area. So vaulted ceiling, nice wood beams, wood burning stove, and then a little kind of reading area at the top here. It's a really lovely room, nice and light and airy. And then we'll finish with a look at the terrace, which is just off this sitting room. As you can see, we're getting lots of winter sun today. It's a big terrace, beautiful area. It's a very quiet place. At the moment, you can just hear people working in the countryside. The house is exactly 6 kilometres from the motorway. So we look forward to showing you this wonderful village house. Please do book your viewing either in the comments section or by giving us a call. Viewings are strictly by appointment only. And again, don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel and all of our other social media. Regularly check out our website, granadahouses.es, and we will be showing you your new home in Andalusia very, very soon. Thank you for watching.